Good morning, this is Tim Johnson, and here's a look at some of the stories we're following on Friday, September 4th, 2020. There were 7 new COVID-19 cases in Vermont reported on Thursday for a total of 1,637 and 58 deaths. The totals for Windham County remain at 123 cases and 3 deaths. New Hampshire now has 41 new positive test results for COVID-19 at a statewide total of 7,347 cases with 432 deaths. 1 new positive test in Cheshire County for a total of 132 with 3 deaths. The death toll from confirmed cases of the coronavirus in Massachusetts rose by 17 to 8,870. The state public health department said the number of confirmed cases climbed by 393, bringing the total to 119,819. Franklin County is now at 393 positive tests and 66 deaths. Vermont Health Commissioner Mark Levine is taking issue with a Centers for Disease Control statement that said only 6% of the reported COVID-19 deaths in the U.S. are solely attributable to the virus. Levine said the other 94% were among people who had underlying health issues that were part of their health profiles, but each of those people died from COVID-19. The health commissioner said many of the people with other chronic conditions would not have died this year had COVID not been here. The Vermont Agency of Transportation has money available for local communities to improve water quality. There is not a program cap on the amount of funding granted for a project, but there is a 20% local match. This is a reimbursement program. Municipalities get paid after the work is completed. Applications must be received by October the 9th. Vermont law enforcement authorities believe an increase in the number of traffic fatalities recorded this year could be linked to fewer police on the road because of coronavirus. So far this year, there have been 43 traffic fatality deaths, up from 21 at the same point last year. 2019 was a record low, but this year's fatality numbers are on pace to hit a 5-year high. Labor Day weekend, New Hampshire's Office of Highway Safety is part of a nationwide effort to spread the word about impaired driving and to get impaired drivers off the roads and to help save lives. In 2019, there were 56 alcohol or drug-related crashes in New Hampshire. They claimed 64 victims. In sports, the Boston Celtics were beaten by a 3-point buzzer beater. They fell to Toronto 104-103. The Celtics lead the best-of-7 playoff 2-1. The Boston Red Sox bullpen imploded last night. The Sox fell 6-2 to Toronto. The New York Mets defeated the Yankees with a walk-off home run by a score of 9-7. And that's news on this Friday. Have a great day and a great Labor Day weekend.